Alright, the air compressor is going to show off right there. Just did 162.3. It was 164 last time I did it. Air has cooled off a little bit. Okay, so the adjusting the screws did not make any effect on what I'm trying to do. So right now we got high pressure and it's not coming on. And we're back close to 1 inch, but not quite, 975. So now, if things don't work what you think they're going to do, they're doing the opposite what you want, then do the opposite thing. So I'm going to unscrew this a long ways now, because obviously screwing it down did not make any difference at all. It made it wrong. So I'm trying to get that split between the two pressures a lot closer. So now we're going to back this thing way the hell off. Let's see what that does. Like tuning your bike. If it isn't doing what you want it to do, do something different. But don't keep doing the same thing over and over and over and think it's going to change. Okay, we're almost 250 now. Go back a little more. So we were at 3/8 of an inch. We were down at a 1/2 inch there. So now we're going the other way. Now we're just under a quarter. So we need to come back and just a tick. Should be the quarter. 250, 2495, that'd be 250, close enough. Okay, and we got this at 1 inch, which should be a little bit earlier than 160 right now. So now we're going to see when it comes on. So the bank tank is low, so it should be able to go down low enough to bleed. Give it a slow bleed there. See where it comes on at. 40. Too slow to bleed. Yeah, should already come on already. 30. 25. Going all the way back down to 115 again. It's 20. Did I forget to turn the switch on? No, the switch is on. 20. About saying about 116, well that's 112, 114. Way too low. Alright. Build this back up and see where it shuts off at. Okay, just shut off. What do we got? 145 pounds. So what's the split? 115, or what's 112 to 145, or 142? Yeah, about 30 pounds difference right now. 30 pounds. Split's a little bit better. That's an improvement. The overall pressure is low, but the differential is better. So I'm gonna back this off some more. Can't go much more than that. Be flush. 100 thou. Okay. And this one here, it's going to have to go up. Bring the head pressure back. 1090, so make it 100. I'm gonna lay it close enough. Okay, so now we'll see what this combination gives me. Only problems I can't. I came on early, 140. That came on real early. That's surprising. I think we got something here. I think we're on to something. Let's put back here. It's not staying off, so it's too close to the on point. That's what we can get out of that. It's not staying down. We're at 135 pounds right now. Right now it's on. Yeah, 132. Alright, I've got to crank this thing up a little bit. I can't shut the thing off. There's a gap on the spring. Got no spring on it at all. It's loose. We're below zero. At least have some tension on it. I have to put some tension. Pressure's not staying off. So this might be cranked in too hard, maybe, I don't know. Crank it back up a little bit. There, it stayed off. Okay. Alright, so now we gotta determine how much it's gonna take to bring it on again. So we are at 146. There's 140 that didn't come on. Turn that on. That did not come on yet. 137. Alright, 130, about 130 roughly. Before it shuts off that. We have to turn it on. Keep the air temperature down. It's cold right now. Hopefully it shuts off around 150, but I think we're already there. So. Yeah, we're over 150 right now. 58. We'll shut off any time now, hopefully. 160, that's 30 pounds differential pressure. There we go. 162. So I'd say that's about as close I'm going to get to what I want. So we're 162 pounds. Turn that off. So the lowest we can keep this spring tension here, the sooner it comes on. It's the opposite what you think it would be. So I'm going to crank this thing down to almost basically zero. Well, just enough that it doesn't vibrate in there. Turn the note with my fingers. Down a little bit that way. I guess when that thing flips, it gets loose. Okay, so there it doesn't really move around too much. Go back to the 100 thou that we had originally. Yep, 99.5. This is 1085. So the more you back this off, the more you got to put over here to get the same pressure. So we were 71, I think. Okay, so we should be close. So I'm going to go ahead and bleed. I got to get the air out of the main tank so I can do check-in here, but see, it's not enough pressure drop to make it come on. 150. Bleed off some pressure. Get my air nozzle wet. It's hitting the bottom over there. Oh. I'm gonna run that 132 area came on. Exactly. Well, they just shut off early. That's because I took all that tension off that other spring. Yeah, we're at 157-ish. So we need a little bit more tension on the plate. That should build me up quite a bit more. Tension's basically zero on the plate right now. I've got nothing on that spring. Pretty much zero. I just put a little bit of tension on there because I adjusted this lower, it made everything a little bit lower. So I got pressure on that so it doesn't just vibrate. Of course it vibrates once it closes. Okay, I should be able to turn this thing on, I think, by just coming down with it. Pull up on that lever there. Where it shuts off at. 60. 10, about 63. Almost 64. Alright. So that's good. It comes on around 132 or so. Looking. If I crank that half a quarter of a turn, that'll get me probably close to 65. I'll leave that alone, still got tension on it. Okay, I'm gonna go bleed this off and we'll see what it does again.